Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start your presentation journey by opening Canva and navigating to the Presentations section. You'll find a vast library of templates, ranging from modern to minimalist, or you can opt for a blank canvas to unleash your creativity. Select a template that resonates with your message, then begin customizing its elements. This initial step sets the foundation for a visually engaging and impactful presentation. Now, let's dive into designing. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes adding elements incredibly simple. Explore the vast media library, which offers millions of stock photos, illustrations, and icons to enhance your content. Remember to keep your design consistent. Use a maximum of 2 or 3 fonts and a cohesive color palette throughout your entire presentation for a polished look. To truly captivate your audience, consider adding some dynamic elements. Canva allows you to animate text and objects, making your key points pop. Experiment with various slide transitions to ensure a seamless flow from one idea to the next. You can also embed videos or audio clips directly into your slides, providing a richer, more immersive experience for your viewers. These features elevate your presentation beyond static visuals. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. You can present directly from Canva, utilizing its presenter view, or download your slides as a PDF, PowerPoint, or even a video. Sharing is effortless. Simply generate a view-only link or invite collaborators to edit with you in real time. This flexibility ensures your message reaches your audience effectively, no matter the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.